What happens when you eat garlic every day? If you love garlic, you probably eat it every day and can't imagine ever going without it. But what if you could never eat it again? Would you still be fine without it? In this video, we're going to discuss what happens when you eat garlic every day to see if it's really as necessary as some people believe it to be. Good for your heart. A recent study found that garlic can have a positive effect on the cardiovascular system by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol. Not to mention it's packed with antioxidant properties. So if you're looking for a way to improve your heart health, you might want to consider adding garlic to your diet. Regulates blood sugar levels. Garlic is a great food to add to any diet because it regulates blood sugar levels and has many anti-inflammatory properties. Eating garlic every day can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease, cancer, and type 2 diabetes. Reduces the risk of cancer. Garlic has been shown to have many health benefits, such as reducing the risk of cancer. In a recent study, scientists found that garlic can disrupt the growth of stomach and colon cancers by up to 40%. With more than 1,000 studies on garlic's cancer-fighting properties, it seems like eating garlic is a good way to stay healthy. Boosts your immune system. Garlic has been used medicinally for centuries, thanks to its ability to boost your immune system. It can also help with colds and the flu. In a 2008 study, participants who took garlic supplements, either aged garlic extract or raw garlic, daily were found to have significantly lower incidence of respiratory tract infections. For this reason alone, it is worth incorporating into your diet as often as possible. Aids in digestion. Garlic is an herb that has been used for centuries to help with digestion. It is said to be such a powerful digestive aid that it can even kill the bacteria that causes stomach ulcers. The best way to reap the benefits of garlic is by eating it raw or lightly cooked, but if you are going to cook it, then add as little oil as possible and use low heat. May improve bone health. Garlic is an ancient herb that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. It may also have the power to protect your bones. Researchers found that people who ate garlic every day had better bone density than those who never ate it. In addition, they found significantly lower levels of osteoporosis and osteopenia in the garlic eating group than in those who never ate it. Reduces inflammation. Garlic is rich in many different compounds that are thought to be responsible for its health-promoting properties, but one of the most important ones is allicin. It has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects in vivo and in vitro studies. If you suffer from chronic inflammation, then eating garlic every day might help reduce your symptoms. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.